Here's some ephemeral art trivia. Subscribe. What is the term for artworks created with the intention of being temporary, often outdoors? Is it A, installation art, B, ephemeral art, C, land art, or D, permanent sculpture? The correct answer is B, ephemeral art. Who created the temporary installation The Witness in 2006? Is it A, Banksy, B, Diana Weimar, C, Christo Javachev, or D, Damien Hirst? The correct answer is B, Diana Weimar. What is the name of the Japanese tradition of creating intricate snow sculptures? Is it A, Yuki Matsuri, B, Sakura Matsuri, C, Hanami Festival, or D, Tori Festival? The correct answer is A, Yuki Matsuri. Which artist is famous for using food items in temporary art installations? Is it A, Damien Hirst, B, Kara Walker, C, Banksy, or D, Andy Warhol? The correct answer is B, Kara Walker. Which Brazilian artist creates large temporary murals in urban areas? Is it A, Eduardo Cobra, B, Shepard Fairey, C, Banksy, or D, Keith Haring? The correct answer is A, Eduardo Cobra. What Japanese word describes the aesthetic of beauty in transient things? Is it A, shizen, B, ikigai, C, mono no aware, or D, wabi-sabi? The correct answer is C, mono no aware. What movement emphasizes the temporary nature of creations through performance? Is it A, futurism, B, fluxus, C, Dadaism, or D, surrealism? The correct answer is B, fluxus. What colorful outdoor art form uses dyed powders for celebrations in India? Is it A, Navratri, B, Diwali, C, Holi, or D, Eid? The correct answer is C, Holi. Which form of art utilizes soap bubbles for temporary visual displays? Is it A, sand sculptures, B, ice carving, C, balloon twisting, or D, bubble art? The correct answer is D, bubble art. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.